Hello, this is Avijit back here again. This time, MSS has got a simple GUI. Talking about file structure, there are a few minor changes about which you don't have to worry because file exports are in the same MSS folder, and as always, you start the program using startmss.py file. I will show you how to export a PDF file using the GUI right from the starting the program so that you can get a demo of the new GUI. At this point, I want to tell you that the GUI is made using tkinter module of Python 3, so it must be installed before you begin to use the program. So, I am in the folder which contains my MSS version 2.0.2 installation. So let's open it up, and here you get the start MSS file. Let's double click to start the program, and as you can see, the MSS mark saving system startup screen pops up. So let's press enter, and here you get the choice for user interface. So click GUI to open up the GUI. So here the GUI gets open. You may note that this additional command line window opens up, so you can minimize it but don't close it. Now let's open up a file. So go to open file menu. You can search a file or just open up from here. So we can open up. Moreover, here are navigation buttons so that if the number of files exceed the limit of this table, you can navigate through those files. Open selected file. Yes, file data menu. That means we are inside the file. Let's view all the records that are available here. Here also you can see the navigation buttons. Now here is the interface to add students, edit records, view all records, view one student's data, view statistics. Let me show you how we view statistics. Select subject and then choose from here the action you want on that subject. File and data configuration menu. From here you can configure data, import name from earlier file, order data by roll number, etc. And finally, here is the option to export. So enter a title just for test, select the subjects, select between 1 to 5 subjects. Don't worry, error will be there if you select more than 5 subjects. Export to PDF format, and here you get the message that data has been exported successfully to this file name in MSS exports folder. Go and collect. So click OK, but remember this name. So open up the MSS exports folder, and here you can see that file here. Here all the data and the statistics and the MSS logo. Moreover, the MSS logo has been simplified so that it is not a source of distraction while you read this PDF. That's how our GUI works. So what are you waiting for? Go and get the program. And thanks for watching. Wait. At last, I want to tell you one more thing. Exit to file menu, and here you get a button toggle to dark mode, and you can get the dark mode here. So how's that? And click exit to exit. Well, thanks for watching.